Hello, students. Welcome to another class of writing skill. Today, we are going to learn and understand how to write a letter of inquiry. It's a type of formal letter. You already have an idea about formal letters. This is another type of formal letter, that is, letter of inquiry. First of all, now what is an inquiry letter? It is written by a potential customer on the lookout for a product or with a desire to avail the service offered by a seller or an organization. An inquiry letter is neither, understand that children, it's neither a contract nor does it, entail any contractual obligation between the two. It's actually a preliminary exercise that may lead to your further course of action. That could be a contract, signing a contract, or putting an order, placing an order. So when you require a specific information from another party, you will have to write a letter of inquiry. So you will either put up some questions or request to whom you're writing the letter to, with an intention of the reader to respond to you. And it you will have, in a letter of inquiry, you mention as your requirement, and you also expect an adequate response in a very short and concise manner. For example, the owner of an accounting company might send a letter of inquiry to an office supplies sales manager to request a catalog or a visit from a sales representative, explaining that he plans to update or relocate his firm. Now, what are things you need to remember in letter of inquiry? You have to know the format. What is the format of the letter? What is the content? And what is the way of writing? How do we write this letter of inquiry? The format of the letter is just the way of you had understood writing a letter of placing an order. I hope if you remember, you have already learned that. So first thing is writer's address. There is no name to be written in the beginning, only the address, date, designation and address of the receiver. Subject, again it should be short and specific to make all the contents clear. In salutation, either dear sir, dear madam, or just sir or madam. Then the body of the letter, it stands the same as the other formal letter, maximum 3 paragraphs. You remember in the beginning I told you succinct, so you have to be very short and concise. Again, paragraph 1 will be just introduction, para 2 will be having details, and last para must deal with what you actually want the other person to do in the response of the letter. And as a closing of the letter, you need to thank him in beautiful words. And then finally, closing, you will close either with yours truly, yours sincerely, or yours faithfully. And then your name. Remember, in the beginning, you don't have to write your name, you write your name just in the last. Now, letter of inquiry, as I mentioned earlier, is written for the purpose of knowing the quality, quantity, price of the goods and the conditions of business are known as letter of inquiry or inquiry. It's the foundation of business relations. So that's how you build relations, good relations. Now, these inquiries can be either solicited or unsolicited. Solicited means that you have made an inquiry in response to the seller's advertisement and publicity. Unsolicited, that means an inquiry made the buyer, it's your own initiative. You yourself, nobody has told you to do that. You can make an inquiry for some favor. It's an inquiry not about goods, but some other information, maybe about some special price or some favorable terms. Routine inquiry could be an inquiry made by an old buyer in the usual course of business. Should be straightforward, compact, and courteous, positive and confident in tone, brief and to the point, yet clear, complete, and correct. Now, how to write? What is the format and the content? So, first thing is after you have written all that, the address, all the beginning part, then comes your date and everything you've written. Then comes your subject. Now, this should inform the reader that this is an inquiry or a request. Example: inquiry about textbooks, request for a brochure, query about the website, question regarding your product components. First paragraph should tell the reader what you want. Like here, there are some examples how you can start. Please send me, or I would be grateful if you could tell me. I'm writing to inquire whether. So these are some of the ways you can start your first paragraph with. Then second paragraph will come, which will deal with, it will tell you why you are contacting his or her organization, and it will give further details of the inquiry. There are two reasons why you may contact an organization. You have contacted this organization before and you want it again, or you have not contacted this organization before but you have heard about them. So you should describe from where, such as from an advertisement or a recommendation. Then the final paragraph is your real business. So should contain a polite expression and an or an expression of thanks to the reader. The degree of politeness depends on how unusual or difficult your request is. So you could write here in this manner, either a very informal way, then thanks, or I look forward to hearing from you, or I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your assistance, etc. So if you think the reader might have further questions, you can suggest that he or she can contact you. Example, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Now here we have in front of you the sample letter. This is the question. You intend to join coaching classes at International Coaching Center situated in Raipur. The institute specializes in teaching science to classes 11th and 12th. Write a letter of inquiry in 100 to 120 words addressed to the administrator in charge of the institute, seeking clarification about the timings, duration, staff, transport, and other necessary details for joining the institute. And you are Rajesh or Rajni, 2 Library Road, Jabalpur. You write the sample letter. Here in front of you is the sample. You write with the address, date, the receiver's address, salutation, subject. Begin with the first paragraph. Next paragraph, and then you end this letter. So I want you all to test your understanding. This is the homework for you. You wish to buy an inverter to cope with frequent power cuts? Write a letter to Saket Batteries, 77 Chetpet High Road, Chennai, asking them if they supply branded inverters or those manufactured in their own factory. Ask about voltage, number of batteries, expected life guarantee, price, and other relevant details. You are Ramakant or Ragini living at 12 Shastra Town, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Always remember it's a business letter given 8 marks and the word limit is approximately 100 to 120 or maximum is 150. So start writing and do a good job. Bye from me.